Hi Divas! I have a Cyber Monday sneak peek for you. Look at this cutie poo on the top! I was so excited to get this one. Oh my gosh, it's Peanuts Carolers. It is a 13 inch by 13 inch, which is 32.8 by 32.8 centimeters. It is square. So let's look at the special box. You can see it's got the carolers on the edges. It's got all the regular instructions in it. And there's no QR code for anything off, but let's see. It includes 14 colors, 3 fairy dust diamonds. Cool. Full diamond coverage area. This is so sweet. Let's see what all is in here. It came packaged and looked like it was being ready to sell at a retail store, not just on their site. You do still get the little the little thing. Look at that. This is so cute. This is my favorite Peanuts of all time. The favorite Peanuts show of all time. I don't know. I think there's some of all of us in the Peanuts characters. I felt like a Charlie Brown almost all the time. I pontificated like in theology like Linus. I could get really angry like Lucy. Of course, sometimes I'd act like Pigpen, but I really wanted to be Snoopy. I wanted to be Snoopy terribly. But you never know. You know, we have these eclectic personalities, and I think with all of the Peanuts characters, you find something of yourself in each one of the characters. So, you have a typical kit. You have the random colored pen and squishy. You have the 2 hearts of wax, the white tray with the stopper, the 2 multi-placers, 4 and 7. It's square, so you get their pointy tweezers, and there are plastic bags. And this happens to be the random, the random cover minder that came in it. And this is a beautiful blue and peach washi tape that came in this one. Very, very pretty. All right, I put the washi tapes aside sometimes, and let me put that toolkit back together. What did you get for Black Friday? What did you pick up for Black Friday sales? What are you picking up for Cyber Monday? Did you pick up any of the restocked kits that were over Saturday and Sunday? I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to bring you... Okay, let's be out. Okay. Here you go. I'm going to roll it backwards because it's a poured glue and it's made to do that. Alright, here's poured glue with the plastic cover. It is small. It's a 13-inch square. Do we really need anything more than that? There is the whole thing. Yep, there is the whole thing. You've got Charlie, and you've got Linus, and you've got Lucy. And then you've got Snoopy on top of his doghouse with Woodstock and trying to tow him like a sleigh. And these guys have a mug of something, maybe hot cocoa or something in their hands as they march off to sing. Everybody is singing. 14 colors and 3 fairy dust. There are no ABs in this, but that's quite all right with me. You do get the thank you packet, and you do get your big sticker sheet. And there are your stickers. Do you want to see the individual colors here? Can you see them in there? Yep, sequence number, symbol, and DMC color code number. There you go. And here are the drills. Alrighty. Here is the close-up of the colors, and you know what I say about 310s? You need 310s, especially in cartoony ones, so that it defines the separate colors. We have like a flesh color, that bright pink. I bet that's Lucy's jacket. We have some green and dark blue and orange. Those are in the clothes. There's a little bit of light blue, some brown, some aqua, and yellow. I bet that's Woodstock right there. And then we have blue, and this is the blue sky. 3 of those. All right, so the 3 colors that are the fairy dust are 3801, 3865, and 702. All right, and let's go look where they are. All right, let me bring it all the way out. There we go. So first we have the white, which is the most, and yes, that is all the snow. All the snow is glistening fairy dust. That's super awesome. Very, very good. And let's see the green. Let me see the green. All right, in Snoopy's hat. That's good. That pulls the fairy dust up. Oh, all the snow falling from the sky is also the fairy dust white. There's more green in Linus's hat. So we have the green here and green in the reins over to Woodstock. So that's where you have the green fairy dust. Now, there's a lot of red, and I have a feeling, yep, all this fairy dust is the entire doghouse. It is his hat, and it is Charlie Brown's hat and coat. There you go. There you go. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this one. This is going to be my fun one for the season. I'm probably going to put this together while I'm opening all those advent calendars. Starting December 1st, I'm going to be putting up opening advent calendars one day at a time. Don't miss it. There are 3 diamond painting, 1 paper crafting, and 1 regular crafting advent calendars that I'll be opening for you starting every day, starting December 1st. All right, see you then. Don't forget there's a discount code for Diamond Art Code down below. You cannot use it the same time that you use like the Cyber Monday sale code. But in the future, if you are brand new to Diamond Art Club and you'd like to save 15% off of your very first order, click the link below and put in the code WANDA'S WORKBASKET. Thank you, Divas. See you around soon. Bye.